Hello everyone. Are you looking for a natural way to achieve clear and glowing skin? What if I told you just 1 teaspoon a day of a particular oil can help you to achieve that? Today I'm going to talk about this special 1 teaspoon recipe that is going to help you improve your skin health, reduce rashes, overcome acne, as well as have glowing complexion of your skin. So stick around till the end because you want to know how to use this particular ingredient in the right way to achieve glowing skin. Hi, I'm Dr. Anshul Gupta, board certified family physician with advanced training in functional medicine and peptide therapy. I help people reverse their chronic diseases by making personalized functional medicine plans. Skincare can be overwhelming for majority of the people because there are so many products in the market, but most of them have synthetic ingredients that can actually be more harmful to your skin. The interesting fact is that nature has given us so many natural things that can improve our skin health. And today I'm going to talk about that one special ingredient which has shown in several research studies that it does help your skin health. Whether you have acne, do you have inflammation on the skin, do you have rashes on the skin, or you just want to achieve a glowing skin or anti-aging benefits, this particular ingredient has shown in different research studies that it can benefit all of them. So what is this 1 teaspoon special ingredient I'm talking about? It is castor oil. Castor oil has been used for several centuries, mainly for gut health, but recent research studies show that it also has significant benefits for your skin health. There are various ways castor oil can be used. I'm going to show you the right way of using it for your skin health. What is castor oil? Castor oil is actually derived from the seeds of Ricinus communis plant. And as I said, it has been used for centuries in different cultures for various health benefits. But what does the research say specifically for skin health? So let's talk about that. So the first thing about castor oil is that it is really high in ricinoleic acid. This particular fatty acid has significant anti-inflammatory properties, plus it is also a strong antibacterial and antifungal. So thereby it helps in reducing inflammation and irritation in the skin, as well as removes the bad bacteria and fungal overgrowth from the skin, which is a major cause of various boils, acne, as well as rashes on your skin. Ricinoleic acid rebalances the natural skin oils. So that's the reason it is good for both dry and oily skin types. By reduces the excessive oil production, actually it clears up acne without clogging the pores. A research published in Journal of Pharmacology in 2000 showed that ricinoleic acid has powerful anti-inflammatory properties when it is applied topically on the skin. Another study published in Journal of Molecular Biology in 2012 showed that ricinoleic acid has powerful antibacterial and antifungal properties, especially for bacteria and fungus which grows on the skin. So it can be used for preventing and treating these infections of the skin. So this is the first reason castor oil is really good for your skin health. The second way castor oil is good for your skin is that it deeply moisturizes your skin. Castor oil attracts the moisture on your skin and keeps it locked over there for a significant amount of time, thereby preventing dryness and promoting hydration of the skin. This actually improves your skin health by improving wrinkles and also provides a glow to your skin. Castor oil deeply penetrates your various skin layers and thereby helps to hydrate it from inside out approach. The third benefit is especially for people who have acne prone skin. Castor oil not only has antifungal and antibacterial properties which grows in the pores of your skin and leads to clogging of the skin. So by removing this bacteria and removing these fungal infections, it improves the acne. And thereby it is a natural remedy which can improve the acne of your skin. Now, because castor oil has strong anti-inflammatory properties, it can soothe the irritated skin and keep it hydrated. So it can be useful for skin conditions like eczema, dermatitis, psoriasis and other skin conditions which is really very irritated, and this can be a natural way to help improve those skin conditions. The next question is that who should be using this castor oil for their skin health? So the good part is that castor oil is good for majority of the skin types because it is such a natural product. People will have less irritations with it. Especially for acne prone skin, castor oil is really useful because of the anti-inflammatory oil rebalancing properties that castor oil has. It is also really good for people with dry skin because, as I said, castor oil can penetrate your skin deeply and locks the moisture over there. So it is a natural moisturizing agent for your dry skin. Especially people with thyroid and Hashimoto's disorders have a lot of dry skin. So castor oil has shown to be very beneficial for them. A lot of people have sensitive skin and they are not able to use other commercial products. So castor oil, being a natural product, can be useful because it has anti-inflammatory and soothing properties for your skin. So you can try this also. I always recommend doing a patch test before you are using a new thing for your skin. What that means is that apply a small drop of castor oil somewhere on your hand, on your leg, and see if you feel any irritation or any burning with it. If you don't, then probably castor oil is safe for you and then you can start using it. Now let's talk about how to use this 1 teaspoon of castor oil to give you the maximum benefit for your skin health. So the secret recipe is a face mask that you can prepare at home using this castor oil. For this you need 1 teaspoon of castor oil, half a teaspoon of natural honey, and also half a teaspoon of aloe vera gel. You mix all of these ingredients together in a bowl and then you apply this recipe all over your face. This face mask is really very hydrating and soothing for your skin. Leave this mask for 15 to 20 minutes on your face and then rinse with warm water. This is a very soothing mask because aloe vera and honey provides you additional skin benefits. If you want a deeper cleanse for your skin, then you can use also a steam treatment for your skin. The way you do it is that you apply a very thin layer of castor oil all over your face, and then after that you use a steamer to get steam all over your face. The steam will help you to open your pores and thereby castor oil can remove all the impurities, all the debris, all the oils and bacteria which is stuck on those pores and will provide you much more hydration and clearer and glowing skin. So these are the two most effective way of using castor oil to improve your skin health. What are the typical benefits that people have seen after using this for a couple of weeks? You will notice that your skin has much more glow as compared to before. Any fine wrinkles or any fine lines on your face also gets better. You will see that you will have less breakouts of acne over the course of time, as well as your skin will start clearing up also. Now, are you going to see the benefit after applying it only once? Probably not, because it takes time for this to start working on your skin because it is working on an inside out approach. So give it a couple of weeks and see, and then judge whether this is working for you or not. Please, in the comment section after using this recipe, let me know if you see any benefit from this particular recipe or not. So I hope you like this video and this particular recipe will give you a better, clearer skin with a natural glow on it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel as well as share this video with other people who might benefit from it. Alright, see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.